Hello guys! Hello, okay. Thank you. Thank you for joining this video. Today, we're looking at the TH sound. Okay, a lot of students ask me questions. How do I make the TH sound? Today, we're going to have a look. Okay, the first thing to remember is the TH sound is not just one sound. There are a few sounds that, when you see the letters TH, it can be. So we have a softer sound, like th in thank you, and thank you. And you have a more of a kind of a vibrating sound in the. The other sound, sometimes it can even be a t sound. We'll show you that at the end as just a little bonus. So this sound can be really difficult for some learners. I spend hours teaching this. So this video is kind of a double thing. Number one, I'm hoping I can just say to my students, check out this video. I hope that helps. If you've ever been to the gym, you know that the first time you go to the gym, your muscles really ache. Okay, they really sting. Why am I saying this? It's because after a while, when you practice, you start to get used to it. Your muscles have memory. They remember how to do things. And it's the same with your mouth. There are lots of different muscles in your mouth. And if you're not used to using them, it's really difficult. So for example, the and t sound might be really difficult because you're using muscles in your mouth that you've never done. So it has to be like going to the gym. Practice. Get in front of a mirror. Check it out. It's really weird. If your wife, your girlfriend, your husband, or your boyfriend catches you doing this, they're going to be like, what are you doing? Why are you doing the sound in front of the mirror? I had the same problem in Portuguese with the ão noise in like words like João, because you use different muscles. This is an example of me. So João, mão, pão. But the ão noise was really difficult for me, so I needed to practice. Eventually now, instead of saying João, I say João. Thank God I can pronounce João because I have a student called João. And in the past, João. Mao. You get the idea. So, the first sound is the soft th sound. So what you do here, and one thing you can really do is exaggerate your mouth movements. You can emphasize your mouth movements to practice. Of course, you don't do it normally, but to practice and to learn, that's what you should do. So, to make the th sound, like in thank you, thanks, theme, like in through, what you need to do is you put your tongue out. Now, I know when you do this, like this, students sometimes feel like a snake. You don't worry, okay? So you put your tongue out here and you touch your top teeth. But also the bottom of your tongue is kind of making contact with your bottom teeth. Then what you've got to do is blow some air. Thank you. Through. Theme. So you just need to. I can't believe I'm doing this on a video. Through. You see? So it's like the air needs to come through. There's no movement until you move it for the next sound. Through. It's like you're licking your teeth. Okay, if you really want to do it and practice, you can stick your tongue right out and through. I just spat all over my iPad. But you get the idea. Through. The second sound is kind of a buzzing, vibrating sound in words like the, though, these. And what you do here is you touch your tongue on the top, not really on the bottom there, and you kind of, there's like a vibration. It's like like you're cold. The. So you put it on your top. One top tip to know how far to put your tongue out is to get your finger like this. The. The tongue should not be any further than your finger. Okay, so I don't want to see like, though. That's just weird. What you should do, this, those, just so it's kind of touching. That's the absolute maximum distance it needs to be. So there you have it, the th sound and the sound together. So the first one, with a bit of air. The second one, just touching the top, like you're cold. And the final bonus th sound is in words like th in Thailand. Thailand, it's a t sound. So we don't go Thailand or Thailand, it's Thailand. And there is a big river in London, the River Thames. It is not the River Thames or the River Thames. Okay, Thames. I don't know. It's the River Thames. It's the River Thames. Okay? So there you have it. I hope this video helps. So remember, thank you for watching this video today. Have a great day.